welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see by the title of this video, it's not super duper fancy what I'm coming back with, but it's still lit. So here we go. I'm going to be showing y'all my little quick 1-2 makeup routine, mask friendly, because we gotta be safe out here, but you still want to look a little cute. So I'm just showing you my quick little 1-2. It's very fast, it's very efficient, it works for me, and that's all that I care about. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I know y'all see my hair is moving and is real cute, and this is from Icy Hair. I just got this hair. This is a frontal and 2 bundles of 22 inches. The frontal is 20 inches and it's in the texture Mongolian Kinky Curly. The frontal is in Kinky Curly, I think it's Brazilian Kinky Curly from Ali Annabelle Hair. I had a mix and match because Icy did not have a transparent lace frontal when I was trying to order. At first I tried to order a wig, they didn't have it, so I had to switch my order to bundles, and then I got the closure from AliExpress, and I got the bundles from their Icy website. So this is my third go round with this hair. Like, I've had this hair for 3 years and it's just like my favorite hair. I'm going to do a proper review on it once I actually wear it for like at least a week. I'm gonna do my initial review and give y'all like my little rundown of how it's going so far. Like, I expect the same thing because the first 2 times it was bomb, and this time I already love it. It looks beautiful. So I'm expecting the same thing. Nothing like crazy. This frontal on the other hand is new, so I guess we'll see how that works. But I'm loving it. Sorry for that noise. I'm loving it though. I'm loving it. Excuse me, that was really rude. Okay, so now that I've got that blended, and you guys saw that I only kept it to right here, I put whatever was left on the brush on my forehead. I don't really like putting a lot of product on my forehead because that's the oiliest part of my face, so I just want to leave that part kind of alone. Now, this whole thing is a minimal type of vibe because, for one, it's summer, it's very hot, and you don't want to be out here melting up under an even more hot mask. The mask, the summertime, everything together makes it a terrible combination. So you want to keep it light, but you still want to look cute, so you go ahead and do you, sis, for real. Okay, so I have my little Tarte concealer right here. I'm just gonna do a little dab, the smallest of dabs, but I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to get that out of the camera, and then I'm going to just blend that out. So y'all, let me tell you something real quick. If y'all don't know, if I ain't said this before in another video, I used to get my eyebrows threaded. And before, when I didn't do anything to them, they looked like spiders. Like, they was crazy looking. And so when I first got them threaded, they was so beautiful. Like, if I could find the picture, I will insert it right here. They were gorgeous. And then when I learned how to do my eyebrows with like pomade, oh my gosh. I will also insert a picture here. I was in love. Like, it was so freaking beautiful. But I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know when or where it occurred in my life, but just one day, my eyebrows was not the same. I'm pretty sure I went to get them threaded again, and the lady, she just took off too much, and it was like, I didn't go anywhere fancy. I just went to, like, the mall, because, you know, they do that in the mall, and they just never looked the same. They were shorter, like, my eyebrows was long this way, but they were shorter, and then they were thinner. So I was like very upset because I was really into my eyebrows at that point, and then it just all went away. It all went downhill from there, and I've been growing them back for so long, for a few years actually, like since it happened. And it took a while for my eyebrows to get back to where they are now. Like, they kind of still didn't look like this. But I'm liking how they look now, so I'm just happy that they are at a point where I do like them. So that was a little side note for y'all. Anyway, back to this look. Okay. Because this is pretty pigmented and it's dark. It's just a NYX brown pencil. So yeah, I just do that, and then I also have this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Canes. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is literally gone. I don't even know why I keep this, but like, excuse me, why do I keep burping? Sometimes it comes out. And I just do this to make sure the lip liner is blended. I know I look dumb. Sorry. But, so yeah, I do that. And then, basically I'm done. Like, I really don't have to do my eyebrows. Will I? Like, this is the point that I got to that I'm so happy about. Because before, when I was growing them out, I had to do them. But when you use pomade all the time, like, you ever notice, like, when you're using pomade, like, of course, your hair falls out. Let me just say that. Hair on your head falls out. Hair on your eyelashes falls out. Hair on your underarms, everything. Hair falls out. You're just going to lose hair because it gets old and it dies and then it sheds, and so you can get new hair to come in. So when you're putting that heavy product on your eyebrows every day, it's going to pull more hairs and more hairs out. So it's really hard for me to grow my hairs back and not look crazy without putting my eyebrows on. So it was really hard, and I wasn't really into eyebrow pencils that much. Like, I can do pencil, but pomade was my thing. But then I switched to pencil and it was better. And then once it got better, I stopped using product every now and then. So sometimes I would just use, like, wear my regular lashes out. And then it got to the point where I would just wear my eyebrows. And that's what's up, because that's what's up, you know? So now, I'm not gonna do them. I'm not gonna do them because I don't got to. But also, I wasn't wearing them out like with product on because I don't go anywhere. I don't go anywhere. But y'all, I just got a new car. So if y'all want to see it, you know, let me know. Let me know down below. Also, when I ordered my hair, Icy gave me these lashes. And they long, but they look a little natural. So let's try them. I also don't really wear lashes like that either, but let's try them. This is how the lashes look when they're finally on. This is why I didn't record this part, because I was this close to, y'all saw me about to try to put those lashes on, but that just took me like 30 minutes. So this eye, this eye was messing around, bro. Like, it was messing around. So I had to redo it 3 times, but it's on, so it's fine. But y'all, so this is the finished face look. Real minimal, real cute though. Real cute though. Let me take my hair down and show y'all the finished. So this is the finished look. This hair is literally so freaking cute. So freaking cute. Like, it's so cute. It's ridiculous. Like, it's so big and fluffy and just life-giving. Like, I love it this big. I'm not one of those type of people to do the wet look. First of all, I had some other hair that was deep wave and I tried to do the wet look. It didn't work. Like, deep wave is way more tame than this. Like, it's still big, but like, it don't get this big. And I tried it and it didn't work. I don't know what I did wrong, but it just didn't work. Plus, I need volume in my life. Like, do you see this volume? Do you see it? And like, the closure, this is not a review of this hair, but the closure is a slightly looser pattern, but that don't even matter because it just flows so well together. But anyway, so that is the look. I will actually wear my hair up like I was just wearing it out. However, I want to try to get the full effect of this hair because it's just so freaking cute. So let me go before my lashes pop off again because they were just popping off. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, if I can speak, if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do come back to my channel for more content because more is coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. All right, so I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.